Hello student, here we discuss about very important how to write down a formula of a complex. Here if they are giving IUPAC naming and you have to draw the structure. It is very simple and basic formula. We have to go for it, how to identify counter ion and complex ion. So here potassium ferricyanide. Potassium is here counter ion and ferricyanide is complex ion. So from ferri we understand that it is having +3 oxidation state, and we know that oxidation, this coordination number of iron is 6. So at that moment you easily write down FeCN6. Okay, 6 times Cn. Why? Because coordination number of iron 3 is 6. So Fe around it there are 6 Cn. So we have to write down potassium. We don't know how much, which number we have to write down here. So here each Cn is carrying -1 charge. So total -6 charge over here in the coordination sphere due to ligand, and +3 charge due to central atom. So this sphere is having -3 charge. So we will write down K3. Okay, because potassium ferricyanide does not, we cannot understand which type of formula we will write down. But from the basics you understand that it is in +3 oxidation state. So and 6 Cn on 6 negative charge. So total 3 negative charge will be there. Add them. So -6 + 3 will become -3. So coordination sphere bear -3 charge. So we will write down K3 because each K carry 1 positive charge, 3 K will carry 3 positive charge. So it is, we can write down like this. Now potassium ferrocyanide, from ferrocyanide, this is ferrous ion, means iron is in +2 oxidation state. It is also having 6 coordination number. So FeCN6 here is there, and it is having -6 charge total, and this ferrous, because of ferrous it is 2 positive. So this complex carry -4 charge. So we have to write down K4 FeCN6 because 4 times 1 positive charge is 4. Okay, so here -1, this is +1 into 4 +4, here total -4. So we can write on like this. Okay, now C2H4 PtCl3 complex sphere closed, positive charge it is carrying, and Cl negative. This is trichlorido ethylene. Now we will stop here. It is platinum, and what is the oxidation state of platinum here? It should be +4, then only it will carry positive charge and Cl negative will be there. Okay, so it will be trichlorido ethylene diamine 4 platinum 4 chloride. Okay, and you write on this chloro or chlorido, each carry 1 negative charge, complex sphere carry